Welcome, today in front of me OnePlus Nord 2T, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner here a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we will see how fast this feature is and that it works. So let's start this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the fingerprint scanner works here so fast. We can do it just less than in 1 second. And if you wanna just unlock the device, you should just hold for a while the sensor, because if you will just simply touch it, there is just no chance to unlock the device. So just hold for a while the scanner, and I suggest you to try this unlock method, because that's really is so fast method to unlock your device. You shouldn't just enter some PIN codes or passcodes here, but be careful because the fingerprint is less secure than our just PIN codes or passcode or pattern. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.